Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit the like, subscribe. Apologize about the last quick video we pulled out. This is kind of an emergency video. A lot of people didn't see this coming, including myself. So don't let me fool anybody. I'm not trying to fool no one. This is something that we have. FOMOing is real, ladies and gentlemen. It's frustrating. It's beyond unbelievable, Selner. But Wally still says what's up. So we're getting the M that I said was unlikely, and I didn't believe we were going to receive it. Well, shit, it happens. Ladies and gentlemen, at least we talked about it. At least we said, oh, yeah, I made money. At least the NFL was good. I've got cash to spend. Keep dropping. Yes, sir. If you followed my picks, Chooch, it's hilarious you said that, but in the Wolves of Wall Street, ask some of the gentlemen, ask Aaron. Selner, did I win? Did I 10 times my money on a ticket? Yes, we did. We picked the Panthers. We knew that the Saints were hurt, so we picked the Panthers. If you watch the end of the video, the only team that screwed me was the Pittsburgh Steelers. That was the only team I picked for sure. But we had a nice teaser in there, and we were doing good. So we made some money, too. We 10 times our money. So we could buy some more. Did we see this? Yes, I did. I believe I pulled out the daily, and I believe I said, this is the Bitcoin chart on the daily, that there was a possibility we can go to the 46. Don't worry. What happened? Well, the FOMOing in and the FOMOing out is the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. It's as real as steel. Seriously, hit the like, subscribe, because we're going on a ride. Wally says what's up. This is unfortunate, but we're getting a really, really big downward M. It sucks. It is what it is. If you're shorting, you're enjoying. If you're shorting, be careful, because I don't know how much more you're going to be able to enjoy it. But I did say it was coming down. I did. And I said it was a possibility to come down. I did not know we were going through here. This is insane. Grab your bags, hold on tight, because this is what you just might. You might see something here. This is where we tipped off. We had resistance last, so it could be the bottom of our support price. Definitely pay attention to mention on there. It's very important. And as you see on the RSI level, we're low. 42 or the 39 level, here is where I'm really paying attention to. And I hope you did enjoy your football picks. I know I did. I had a nice little football. For once, right, it's only week 2. Last year I had a great year, so I expect another good year to be able to buy more crypto. So, yeah, maybe you think I'm nuts, but listen, when you're good at something, you're good at something. I'm pretty good. I watch everyone in football. Yes, 2-0 in fantasy football, by the way, if anyone was curious. 2-0. I have Derrick Henry. Thank you, Derrick Henry, for your 3 touchdowns. So, looks like this mother trucker will be sitting in my office another year. I'm talking mad shit in week 2, and I don't care. But here we are. We're falling, and I'm talking crack. It's not really fun, because look at Ethereum. This is really something to talk about. I'm not really excited about this, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I come down to real life. Yeah, it's nice to make some money when you're not making money elsewhere, but when the entire market is copying what it's doing, and that's what Bitcoin, that's why it's daddy. This hurts. I did not expect this big fall here. I did not expect it to continue, but if you see the lines where we're at, we're starting to hit some type of support, and we need to maintain this support line, which is huge on Ethereum. I'm jumping to Ethereum now. 4 hourly on TradingView, so if you'd like to keep up. Yes, this channel's done. I told you it was possible, and if you look even on the 4 hourly, I mean, I know it's a big one inside, but this is the 4 hourly now, and if you got to pay attention to the M's. The M's are real. Here's another one, and then the highest peak, right? It's a downward M, so they're inside each other. They're real as steel. It's very visible. You can see it. The downward trend is definitely continuing. If you didn't see it, maybe you thought when we broke up through here, which we should have, we were good. But the problem is if you watched the video, I did say yesterday's video, I said I expect purchases to be bought at Sunday, possibly Sunday night into Monday. You'll be able to get some big buys. If I didn't say that, then I'm lying. Because you can go, I'm not going back. I'm not doing another video. I'm not recording another video. But I told you, I warned you. I said I believe that Sunday night going into Monday, there's going to be a big buying opportunity for everyone. And if you didn't, you might want to go back to the last video. It's got like 13, like 60 views, if that. It's not, I'm not a big wig guy. It's unfortunate, but we'll get there. And then maybe we'll start doing more Sicto in crypto. We talked about that move. Well, we're getting that move down. So now what happens here? Well, maybe we're going to get the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Are we finished? Well, I got to get rid of all this garbage. And let's just remember the prices we're at, because now we're at 2,950. Ethereum's really coming down to the bottom here. And the bottom for us is 2,900. So it's kind of scary. 2,900 Ethereum. A lot of people are going to get back in. A lot of people are going to enjoy these cheap prices as we got this huge M. Now, what happens after this huge M? I do expect the month of October to come through and give us something. So this will be the rest of the FOMO in on this downward channel here, and expect that to be the end near. Wow, I hope it doesn't go that low. That's scary. 27.79. I've seen that price before, and I've seen that being a big problem right there. So I'm not telling you it's coming, but I'm telling you it's a possibility. Every time it's a possibility, it makes us eat it. But if you look here down on the RSI level, this is what I wanted to come to, and then we're going to go to the EMA exponential moving average next. Pay attention to this on Ethereum, and this is now trading view, as I said, 4 hourly. We're pretty low. The FOMOing is real. You guys fucked up here because we're at 2.11. And I'm not talking about you guys, obviously. I'm talking about everyone in general in the market, in the crypto world. I mean, come on. We're really going to keep doing this FOMOing in and out BS. So now we refresh, and now we're 1.91. We were just 2.11, ladies and gentlemen. We're taking billions of dollars out of the market. I mean, close to it. 100% hundreds and millions. I mean, that's definitely a fact. And you need to pay attention to those numbers. I mean, Ethereum is now struggling at the 3,000. If you look, we're now back above 20 billion in volume in the last 24 hours, which is good because we were below. So now you may be hitting the bottom, down 10%, almost 11 on Ethereum, 9% in the last 24 hours of Bitcoin. We already know these are falls. Where's Solana at 7, 135, 133. I mean, that's a sick buy. You will not probably see the 108 levels again that we were able to buy last time. But a little bit of El Salvador news. El Salvador buys the Bitcoin dip as top coins tumble. And this is a 2-minute read, September 20th, as it is today's news, today's read. The president of El Salvador revealed that Latin American country has purchased 150 Bitcoin while prices were declining on Monday morning. According to the data from CoinGecko, the leading cryptocurrency plummeted by 6.97%, which you just said we're at about almost 10.7, close to 11 in the last 24 hours, changing hands around 45,000 by press time. And as we know, the other cryptocurrencies are coming down: Cardano, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, and I do owe Miss Kitty a promise on the Polkadot TA. Now it's going to be easy to do some TA, right? We got the fall. It's going to be a little easier to do TA and where we're going next. Let's be honest. We can look at this, and I hate that line. Let's be honest. I can't believe I just said it again. I do hate that line. Let's be honest. That fucking line is annoying. Let's be real all the time, as we are. If you see on the RSI levels, we have not been this low. We have not been this FOMO'd out in this long of a time. It's been beyond. Look at the bottom chart, ladies and gentlemen, on RSI. When was the last time we were this low on the RSI level at 22, 21.52? Almost never. So something to pay attention to. If you won in the football ticket parlay with me, congratulations. I don't know if I had anything to do with it. I probably did it. No big deal, right? I just go over it. It's not financial advice. It's for fun. But this M needs to hit a support level here at the 42 and come back. What we need to see is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. And this is what I want to see. And once I get to my thing here, excuse me. We need to get this bounce, and what are we on? We are 324. So we need till 12 o'clock Eastern time, which we're 8:35 right now. We need to see some type of action, bullish action coming up. If we don't see that, we'll continue to get the FOMOing out. The crypto total market cap will continue to fall down instead of climbing back to the 1.93. This sucks. If it continues trending, Gala's making some type of trend there of what, down 22? Oh my gosh. ARV, 36%. I don't even know what Arriva is. I got to do some homework on that. Wow. A lot of different things coming, so you got to pay attention to the trending. We are now establishing some type of support at the $2 level for Cardano. It's trying not to break down below. Holy cow. BNB is 362. Are you joking? So this is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. These people, they let other people in. And I remember this working on the trading floor. It's almost like, hey, guys, we're going to knock this price down, and we're going to let you take all your liquidity and just buy it for cheaper prices while it lasts. And then we're going to go up, and you're going to be happy as mother effer trucker. And we're going to go through like this, and we're going to get the check mark, right, like Nike. The check mark, just do it. Hit resistance back up, and before you know, we're going to create that upward W instead of these downward M's. And right now, the downward M's are tough, ladies and gentlemen. Look. Downward M, downward sloping M is tough. That's where we're at. It gave you a fake little resistance. And remember this price here. I'm not doing shit until here. Well, that's why I wasn't doing shit. I wasn't doing shit because this price level was an indicator that was going to tell me we were either going to get Bruce Lee kicked to the face, which unfortunately we did, or we were going to get some type of breakthrough. And I didn't think we were going to go 1, 2, 3, strike, you're out, right? We only did 2 tests, and that's only 1, 2. So 3 strikes, you ain't out. So we got to go back, come back. Next time we touch this, I guarantee you hit resistance at 48.8. But let me tell you, it won't be too long until we come back, hit this, and that's no longer an issue. And then that might be your upward W. So pay attention definitely to mention to what this creates. I'm a big believer coming into the end of the fourth quarter of 2021. We're going to be going up here. We're going to be doing very well. Excuse me. So you best believe that this is definitely not going to continue. As I sit here and look at the strength, the relative strength, I'm going to go to the daily after this because this is low. Holy cow. I haven't seen a in RSI